Some stories begin in boardrooms. Rucker Roots began in a kitchen in the heart of Lancaster, South Carolina.
Two sisters, inspired by her mother who instilled in them a love and appreciation for natural hair. She created hair treatments using ingredients from the family garden,
teaching her daughters not just how to care for their curls, but how to cherish them.
On our family farm, our father, a farmer and a dentist, taught us the value of hard work, integrity, and excellence. Values passed down through generations of entrepreneurs, lawyers, and dreamers.
From Ellen's kitchen to the national stage, our debut on Love Thy Sister was just the beginning. Today, Rucker Roots is on the shelves in 7 national retailers, in over 250 beauty supply stores, and shipped over 100,000 orders directly to consumers last year worldwide.
We've been honored as semifinalists of the Black Ambition Prize, but our greatest pride is the impact we've made together.
Rooted in the legacy of historically Black colleges and universities, our story has always been about more than just hair. It's about heritage and the future. Through the Rucker Education Scholarship Fund, we've awarded 12 scholarships to first-generation college students.
But we're just getting started. Our vision is bold: to become a vertically integrated CPG company and expand to manufacturing and agritourism. Because when you plant roots with purpose, you grow more than a business.
You grow opportunity, you grow community, you grow a legacy that lasts for generations.